Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and I am a freelance makeup artist. This week, the makeup looks I am doing are based off of my pets. Yes, you heard that right. But today, I did a look based off of my betta fish. He's got a really pretty coloring with those blues and turquoises, and I thought it'd be a fun look to do for today. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you like my video and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss the rest of these videos for this week. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so for this makeup look, I am using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to be doing kind of like a mermaid type look, so I am going to be using like these two sea green colors down here. I need some transition colors first, so I'm gonna go in with my big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start up here at this light brown color. Just gonna do circular motions, then do windshield wiper motions. Alright, so now I'm going to get a little darker. I'm going to use this color right here. It's just a little bit of a darker brown, and I'm only doing windshield wiper motions in my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to be going even darker. I am going to be going in with this reddish brown color right down here. Just kind of focusing that on the outer corner of my eye here. And working my way upwards. Say hi, Duke. Say hi. Thank you. Alright, I'm back. Kind of. He's all freaked out for some reason. I don't know what got him so spooked. So I'm going to be taking my smaller, more defined fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark green color right here. I'm just focusing this on the outer corner of my eye here. Alright, so now that I've applied the color on there, I'm going to go in with my fluffier brush, and I'm just going to go over that to blend all of this out. Now I'm going to take a flat pencil brush, just like this, and I'm gonna go in with this sea green color right here. Alright, just to blend everything out, I'm going in with my fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna lightly go over everything. And I'm gonna take my smaller fluffy brush and I'm just gonna tap that back in that dark green color and just reapply some in the outer corner. So now I'm gonna add some eyeliner in my outer corner here on my eyelid. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner in the shade Dark Side, and I'm just applying this on the outer corner of my eye. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing the bottom part of my eyelids. I'm going to be taking the other side of my flat pencil brush and I'm going to be using this fluffier flat side, and I'm just going to start with those transition colors that I started with. So that light brown color, I'm going to just apply it all over the bottom part of my lid here. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with this darker brown color, just going about halfway into my eye with this color. Alright, now I'm going to lightly go in with this dark brown color, more focusing this on the outer part of my eyelid. Now I'm taking a smaller angle brush and I'm going to be applying that dark green color just on the outer part of my eye here. Alright, I love how that looks, but I do want to go over it and blend it out. I'm taking that fluffy brush that we used for the bottom lid here, and I'm just going to be going over that lightly. Alright, so now I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush. It will look like this, and I'm going to go in with this light color up here, and I'm going to apply that on the inner part of my eyelid here. Because we use dark colors, I want to make sure my eyes still look bright and awake, so this is a very important step to me. Alright, now it's time for the mascara, so I'm just going to quickly apply that using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I'm just going to take my wand, I'm going to comb through my lashes, and then wiggle upwards. For my lip gloss today, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty lip gloss in the shade Wifey, and I'm going to take my pencil brush as well and just line my lips. Dude, you know what I just realized? I got mascara in my hair. Lord have mercy on my soul. Do you know how hard it is to get mascara out of blonde hair. Ugh. Oh, thank goodness it was just a clump. Ooh, I did not like that feeling. Alright guys, so this is the final look. These are the colors that my betta fish has. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe so you see the rest of my makeup looks for this week for my other pets that I have. So I'm excited to get those out for you guys to see. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any videos with me. Thanks guys.